Hi Ben. Well, it might be a bit boring overhead. We've got grey colours out there for many of us, but the same can't be said for the autumn colours. Some beautiful reds, oranges and yellows there. This is the picture a little bit earlier on taken by one of our weather watchers in Gloucestershire. So many areas seeing this spectacular autumn colours, but fairly grey clouds overhead. Now that's really going to be the story over the next few days. Things remaining reasonably cloudy, quite mild too. There are one or two showers in the forecast, but a lot of dry weather too, and that's because high pressure is really not far away at the moment. We've got a couple of areas of high pressure, one of them sitting out to the southwest of the UK, the other one out towards the east. So although we have got weather fronts making their way gradually southwards and eastwards across the UK, many areas are staying predominantly dry. Over the past few hours, this is how it's looking. We've had the rain that's pushed across Northern Ireland and Scotland. It's also quite windy here. A little bit of drizzle for parts of northern England down towards Wales and the southwest. Some clearer skies at the moment, so a bit of sunshine poking through that grey cloud for the southeast of England towards East Anglia too. Now we'll continue to see that rain in the north and the west, just pushing slowly southeastward, so arriving across the northwest of England over the next few hours, followed by clear spells and scattered blustery showers for Scotland and Northern Ireland. In fact, some of those gusts of wind close to the Western Isles up to around about 50 miles per hour, so really windy there. Less windy further south, and temperatures still on the mild side, between about 10 in Aberdeen to around about 14 or so down towards the Channel Isles this afternoon. A few spots of rain across parts of England and Wales as we head through the evening hours, becoming largely dry here overnight, but there'll still be further showers for Scotland and for Northern Ireland, and some of those showers even a little bit wintry over the very highest ground of Scotland. Temperatures largely frost-free, mid-single figures, but there could be a touch of frost across the east of Scotland, perhaps one or two misty patches for southern parts of England first thing Wednesday. But Wednesday's weather, we're between weather systems. We've got this ridge of higher pressure generally in charge of our weather. Still some showers around on Wednesday, particularly for the northwest of Scotland, one or two further south. Much of England and Wales staying dry through the day tomorrow, and there'll be a bit more sunshine out there compared to today. Temperatures perhaps a degree or so down, between about 9 to 13 degrees on Wednesday, but still on the mild side for this time of year. Heading through into Thursday, and we've got high pressure still really dominating our weather. Weather fronts just sitting to the far north there, so a bit of rain I think on Thursday across northern and western parts of Scotland, but much of the UK not only dry but very mild. In fact, those temperatures for many of us in the mid-teens, we could see 16 or 17 degrees for the likes of eastern Scotland on Thursday, with a bit of fern effect there in the east. So mild air, the orange colours with us at the moment, but they do slowly get cleared away towards the south, particularly as we head through into Sunday. It is going to turn much colder. So another couple of mild days, but I think, Ben, by the time we get to the weekend, might be time to dig out the winter coats. All right.